There are so many website builders out there. How do you know which one is the best? This question depends a little on what you're looking for in a builder. In this video, we're going to review WordPress's website builder to help you decide if it's right for your website. If you don't have a name for your business or website yet, check out TRUiC's business name generator. It's one of the best name generators out there and uses AI to get you the best name that will win in online searches. It also automatically checks to make sure those names are available as website domains, so you don't have to check it yourself. Before we go into specifics, let's take a quick look at an overview of the pros and cons of WordPress. The pros of WordPress are, it's almost free, it's an open source content management system, it's relatively easy to install, use, and modify, it has thousands of available themes and plugins, it comes with a wide range of support resources, and it integrates with many business-related software packages. The cons of WordPress? It's not a drag-and-drop website builder, it makes you solely responsible for your website, it's a popular target for hackers, and it may require you to learn a bit about HTML and CSS. Now let's look at the specifics of WordPress's builder. We're going to look at pricing, the builder itself, SEO, and support. Let's start by looking at pricing. WordPress itself is free, but you'll have to pay for domain registration and website hosting. At some point, you also may decide to purchase paid themes or plugins for your site. All WordPress website owners must purchase their domain names. Some web hosting providers such as Bluehost offer free domain registration for the first year. After that point, you'll assume responsibility for paying your own domain registration, a cost that typically ranges from $1 to $12.99 per year. This cost will depend on which domain registrar you use and your chosen domain extensions such as .com, .org, or .net. WordPress site owners also must purchase a web hosting plan. Website hosting companies store your website's information on their servers and deliver that information to your site's visitors. You can buy a website hosting plan for as little as $3 per month and scale up as needed. We recommend the Bluehost Choice Plus WordPress hosting plan for new businesses. While you can find a slew of free WordPress themes and free WordPress plugins, some of the more robust themes and plugins require a one-time, monthly, or annual fee. When building your business website, remember to consider these potential costs and plan accordingly. Many small business websites can get by with free themes and plugins, but their owners may want to consider upgrading as their business grows. Now on to the builder itself. Creating a website with WordPress is relatively simple. Although using WordPress isn't as intuitive as a website builder, business owners with moderate technical skills can find success using this platform. With WordPress's point-and-click interface, wide range of themes and plugins, and vast knowledge base, beginners have all the tools they need to successfully build a WordPress website. One of the biggest benefits of using WordPress to build your website is that it's endlessly customizable. With the included tools and thousands of available themes and plugins, you'll have infinite customization options. In addition, if you ever need some functionality that doesn't already exist in a theme or plugin, you can hire a developer to change your website's code any way you see fit. While most small business owners will never need to hire a developer for their WordPress website, the option always remains open. Next, we'll look at WordPress SEO. SEO remains a top priority for small and large businesses alike. By optimizing their websites, business owners stand a greater chance of having their site appear higher in search engine results. With a reputation as an incredibly SEO-friendly platform, WordPress includes several features that make optimization easy for site owners. In addition, users can find a number of SEO-friendly themes and plugins to help them further optimize the design and content of their sites. Finally, we'll look at WordPress support. While many website builders provide their users with dedicated support personnel, WordPress doesn't. Because WordPress is an open-source CMS, website owners must turn to online resources and groups to find answers to their questions. WordPress does, however, have a dedicated support page that includes a number of helpful articles and resources. In addition, the vast community of WordPress users often will offer help and advice free of charge. New WordPress users can seek out blog posts, Facebook groups, Reddit threads, and YouTube videos that can help them build their sites. A number of WordPress web developers also offer their services on a freelance basis. After reviewing WordPress's functionality, user interface, themes, plugins, and knowledge base, we're very impressed with this CMS. It's a great option for technically savvy small business owners with an interest in learning how to use this website building platform. So who should use WordPress? Any business whose website is their business, such as a blog, e-commerce store, or software as a service company, small, medium, and large businesses, business owners with moderate technical skills, and people interested in having complete control over how their website works. Who shouldn't use WordPress? Any business whose website is meant to support their business, people who prefer drag and drop website builders, technical novices with no time to learn new skills, and business owners seeking a hands-off approach to website maintenance. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, add a comment, and subscribe. For news, useful videos, and free resources on starting your business or starting your website, visit howtostartanllc.com.